Okay, YouTube, my Miller Bobcat 225 MT started acting up the other day, wouldn't weld, just sparkled. So I checked online to some of the forums and went to talk to a welder supply place and got the parts I needed. I followed the list of what I put in. This fuse right there, the 25 or 20 amp 125 volt fuse, a new capacitor right there, the blue one, and it's got 3 wires on this side, 2 on this side. Just mark them before you take them off and put them back the same way they was. And the main culprit, I believe, was this bridge rectifier. It's down here. It's got 4 wires on it. One's marked positive down here on this corner. If I can get my finger to point here. Anyway, the as we're looking at it, the bottom right hand corner was a positive one, and that's where everything started. I put 1 mark on each wire, 2 on the next one, 3 on the next one, 4 on the next one when I took them off and put them back on the same way. And in the process of me working on it, I actually damaged this, thinking that it was a fuse. And I'll get the name and put it on there as a post-it. You see the little white thing underneath there? It's actually it's not a fuse. Okay, so I broke that, had to drill that out and re-rivet it back on there and stuff. Real simple procedure. Not worth worrying your welding guy if he's as good as mine to just kind of walk you through it. I actually took the air hose and blew everything out. A few places are still got some junk on it and stuff, but we'll get that fixed up. And this is, I have a Kohler engine on it. There's all the steel that it took off, and it's easier if you take it all off, especially if you got a cat to help you take it off. Okay, that's about all I got for now. Any questions? I don't answer my things right away, but because I drive truck, but I will try to get back in touch if somebody has a question on it, on this model. I'm not an expert on these welders by any means. Okay, thanks, have a great day.